Story 14. A fellow with a disagreeable voice happened to be reading Al-Quran when a pious man passed near and asked him what his monthly salary was. He replied, nothing. He further inquired, then why takest thou this trouble? He replied, I'm reading for God's sake. He replied, for God's sake, do not read. If thou readest the Quran thus, thou wilt deprive the religion of splendor. What? Yeah, the guy doesn't have the such a voice or whatever. But to himself, really, read to yourself. See, that's the problem that's become the stereotype, is people read for the whole building when other people are trying to have a conversation or whatever, and that's just, you know, or they blast their speakers so that everybody within 3 lanes can hear whatever. You know, you don't want people to think about religion the same way that people think about the, you know, and blast the speakers in the masjids so it actually hurts people, their hearing and their stress levels and their hearts and stuff, you know. Yeah, all this stuff needs to stop.